Facebook pages are a powerful marketing tool that businesses can use to connect with their customers. There are many benefits of a Facebook page for businesses, including building brand awareness. A Facebook page can be used to build brand awareness and promote your products or services to a targeted audience. By creating a Facebook page, you can create a presence for your business and start building a following before you even begin advertising. Targeted advertising. Once you have established a presence on Facebook, you can then start targeting specific groups with advertising campaigns. Facebook allows you to target your ads based on demographics, interests, and other personal information, which can help you reach the right audience. Interaction with your audience. A Facebook page gives you the opportunity to interact directly with your customers, giving you the chance to listen to their concerns and ideas and respond accordingly. This direct connection can help develop trust between your business and your customers, which can result in more loyalty and sales. Social media presence. A Facebook page is an important part of any company's social media presence, as it provides one more avenue for reaching potential customers. With a Facebook page, your company will have its own page on one of the world's most popular social platforms, which helps elevate your brand visibility and exposure. So now let me share my laptop screen with you and guide you step by step on how to create your Facebook page the right way. Alright guys, so to create your Facebook page for your business, you have to visit this URL facebook.com/pages/create. So now let's create our Facebook page. Let's give our page a name. Suppose I'm making this for my online tutorials hub. This is the page name. Now let's select a category. The category should be educational. So it's an educational website. Now let me add a description. Online. Okay, so the fields are completed. Page name, category, and the description for our page. Now let's click on create page. As you can see, the page is created. Let's save it. If you want to connect your WhatsApp to your Facebook page, you can do so by adding your phone number here and request a code to be able to connect your WhatsApp to your Facebook page. So for now, I am leaving this. So by clicking this camera icon, you can remove or upload a new profile picture for your Facebook business page. So let me edit it, and now I can see that I am able to upload a photo from my computer. And here upload, you can upload your Facebook banner. Alright guys, so now let's edit our page info. This is the page name, the username. The username, I think it requires 100 page likes, and after that you will be able to create a username for your Facebook page. Suppose I want my Facebook page URL to be like Online Tutorials Hub. So if it is available, then I can select that, and this URL will be changed to your specified username. Alright, so now let's go to Contact tab, and if you have a business phone number, you can write it down here. If you don't have, you can select this. If you have a WhatsApp number, you can write, or if not, you can tick this. If you have a business email, you can write it down here. Suppose info@onlinetutorials.com, and this is my website, onlinetutorialshub.com. Alright, so if you don't have a website, you can take this, and if you don't have an email, you can take this. Now let's go to the location. Here you can add your address, your city, your zip code, and here you can select the services area where you are serving your customers. Hours, if you are always open, you can select always open. If you are open for a specified hours or for specific hours, you can select this and provide your timings. Alright, so now let's go to the More tab. If you have a privacy policy, you can add the URL or link here. You can add your prices, your currency. Okay, so that's it for this section. Now let me show you one very important option. Go to the page settings, general, and visitors post. Click on this. Guys, this is the very important section. This allows the visitors to post to your page. So you have to disable posts by other people on the page. If you allow this, the spammers will be spamming your page. So make sure you disable this option by clicking disable and then save changes. This is very important. Alright, so now the page roles. Here you can assign a new page role or a person who will be able to write posts, advertise on your behalf, and do whatever you want them to do on your behalf. You have to give them the specific role here. Suppose if you want them to be admin, you can select admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst. You can type their email or username and then add. After they accept the invitation, they will be able to do whatever you want them to do. So that's it guys for creating your page. Now this button, you can add specific details here. If you want someone to visit your website, sign up to your email list, or send message to your WhatsApp, you can specify here, and once the customer click on this button, they will be redirected to wherever you want them to be redirected. Suppose you want them to contact you, call you, or start an order, send you message, send WhatsApp message, send you an email. So I want them to contact me. Contact and save. So once the customers click on this contact button, they will be redirected to my contact us page on my website. So that's it guys. I hope you liked this video. That's it. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also hit the bell notification so you can receive tutorials like this on daily basis. Thank you for supporting. Have a great time.